welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to search someone on Instagram by image. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So making things clear, Instagram does not have a built-in feature to search for someone directly using an image, but there are a few workarounds you can try. For example, you can simply Google reverse image search. Use this if you have a picture and want to find a similar one across the web. For this, you can simply, if you have a profile or if you want to search someone on Instagram, you can simply take that picture and go to your Google Lenses and simply put that picture over there. Then you can get different kind of output, like you can simply upload the image or paste the image URL and browse the results simply. So the other way is to use TinyEye. TinyEye is another reverse image search engine that might catch images from social media profile. So by using the third-party apps, you can simply get someone to be searched on Instagram by image. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.